Now, the longest court battle involving two widows and the children of the former powerful cabinet minister Koinange has finally come to an end after 35 long years. The suit filed by tussling family members in 1981, the judge stripped off Koinange's two widows' powers to administer his property, saying they are not widows of Koinange. The estate, worth billions of shillings, is now to be distributed among Koinange's children and grandchildren. Dennis Onsarigo reports.
Former powerful minister in the Kenyatta administration Koinange left the stage 54 years ago, but his name has not left the lips of his family members more than half a century later. The man who served in the Jomo Kenyatta administration for a stay 16 years died but left behind two families, now entangled in perhaps one of the longest court battles in Kenya's recent history. At the center of the court battle is Koinange's vast estate, a staggering 17 billion shillings worth of property. The property spans from Molo to Runda, Naivasha to Mombasa, and other assets the court has been trying to administer. The first succession suit was filed by one of the Koinange families in 1981 before a white judge. Today at the Milimani Law Courts, Justice William Musyoka became the 25th judge to preside over the costly succession lawsuit that has seen 24 other judges. In a surprise ruling, the judge declared Koinange's two widows, Eda Wanjiru and Margaret Wanjiru, as strangers and pretenders to Koinange's vast empire. The judge ruled that the two could not prove that they were legally married to Koinange under the law or the Kikuyu customary rights.
To facilitate distribution of the landed assets whose title documents have been misplaced or lost, I hereby order the cancellation of all such titles and direct the Chief Land Registrar to issue new titles. As I have found Margaret Njeri and Eda Wanjiru not to be widows of the deceased, I hereby declare that they have hereby ceased to be administrators of the estate of the deceased, and confirm David Njunu, Koinange, and David Waiganjo Koinange to be the administrators of the estate of the deceased.
The judge singled out Margaret Wanjiru as having not been married under the Kenyan law. Justice Musyoka says her marriage to Koinange was not legal because at the time of their purported marriage, the law did not allow polygamy. Eda Wanjiru suffered a similar blow. The court declared her a stranger in the Koinange family tree. Her children were also declared strangers. She was not married under the customary Kikuyu law, and her children were not sired by the late minister. Eda Wanjiru and Margaret Wanjiru were locked out of the largest share of Koinange's vast estate, which the court ruled should be given to Koinange's 16 children, drawn from two houses.
But we are very happy this has come to an end. We just pray that everybody has a history, and this has not been a very good history.
A decision has been made as to who are the right beneficiaries. Now the ball is on the family's court, the family members, to move and distribute the property.
Some of the property includes 291-acre piece of land in the city's Runda estate, 4,000 acres of land in Rift Valley, and thousands of shares in leading companies in the country. Koinange did not live long enough to administer his property, but the blow dealt on his two close confidants, Eda Wanjiru and Margaret Wanjiru, is likely to open a new chapter in this long drawn-out court battle in recent times. Dennis Onsarigo, KTN News.